Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. So let's start. First, open your Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. At the bottom of the screen, tap Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Scroll down a little bit, tap on Security and Login. Here you will see the option to change your password. Tap on that. Now to change your password, you have to enter your current password and your new password twice. Now I'll just enter my password. And then my new password. And then type it again. Then tap Save Changes. Every time you change your password, remember to tap on Review Other Devices and then Continue. If there is an unknown login on your account, you'll be able to see those devices here. Tap Review on Other Devices and Continue. Here you'll see all the devices. Now tap Log Out of all sessions. Tap Log Out and your password will be changed. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.